In this video, we're going to talk about using groups and groupings with the Gradebook. So if we look at participants, I have a number of students in here with a lot of different groups. Now, some of these students were brought in with meta course links. Some of them were in the base course. So I have at least two groups that were divided by sections. So one section was brought in with meta, one was here from the base course, but you can do this with any set of groups that you want. Because I have multiple groups, I'm going to go in here and look at my groups, and here's the Monday Wednesday course section with 5 students. That was the base course, and the Tuesday Thursday was brought in with a meta link. These other groups are going to be used for different projects within the class, but I've made a group for each section, and I've named it what I want to hear instead of the course name and short name and section number. I identify in my mind my Monday Wednesday class and my Tuesday Thursday, so I can edit those the way I want to. Under groupings, I've created a grouping called sections, and I've added those two groups. So if I use the grouping sections, then it ignores the membership in any other group and only looks at these two groups. With that said, if I go under grades, I get everybody in the class, and so there's no way to really look at this by section. So I'm going to go into settings for the course. I'm going to scroll down to groups. I'm going to use group mode as separate groups, and because I have so many different groups, I need to use a grouping. If you're only doing the 2 sections and no other groups in the class, you can leave this to none, but I'm going to use the sections, save and display. And now when I go into grades, I have a new menu up here that says separate group sections. So this is the grouping that I'm using. If I pull this down, right now I have all participants, but I could see all of my Monday Wednesday students, or I could pull this down and see my Tuesday Thursday. So that is how you can use groups and groupings to separate your gradebook into different groups. Again, if you only have 2 groups or one set of groups in your course, you won't need the grouping portion of that.